So, hi, my name is Ivan. I am a technical artist and I've produced this pack of flipbooks using Diffusion. In this pack, we will find about 65 flipbooks that is animating the build up of the details of the artificial intelligence over a sci-fi interface. As you may notice in the beginning of the first frame, you will have the HUD, the initial image that's used for the basis of the tailored final frame. Let's check another flipbook. This one. Each flipbook comes with 32 frames, and you don't have to use any fancy shader. It's just using the full units particle system unleashed. What comes in this package is just the sprite sheet, and not only that, you will also have access to all of the raw textures, all of the raw frames, so you can adjust and tweak and post process every texture the way you think that you should aim your art direction. And here, within each folder, you will have access also to the settings used on Disco Diffusion. This way you can also reproduce or recreate each of these discs by using these settings. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or any doubts, you may just send me an email and I will try to help you and aid you as soon as possible. Thanks.